Let's see how to make your iPad aesthetic for free. In the first step, open Settings, navigate to Wallpaper, then tap on Choose a new wallpaper. Later, select a still, dynamic, or live wallpaper that fits your taste. Next, adjust perspective or set it directly. In the next step, open Settings, go to Display and Brightness, then tap on Appearance. Now choose between dark or light mode as per your liking. Later, adjust brightness or turn on True Tone for a smoother view. In the next step, open Settings, navigate to Home Screen and Dock. Now, turn App Library and Notification Badges on or off as needed. Later, pick between a compact or spacious app arrangement. Off. In the next step, press and hold an app icon, then tap it at home screen. After that, drag and place apps into folders for an organized display. After that, hide extra app pages for a minimal look. In the next step, open Settings, go to Focus, then pick a mode. Now adjust notification settings for various times of the day. Then set custom home screen pages for different focus settings. You are good to go.